Ever found yourself in the middle of crafting a complex regular expression only to realize it's turning into an indecipherable mess? It's something many of us have experienced. The complexity of patterns, the time it takes to write them, the difficulty in debugging. These challenges can turn the task of creating regular expressions into a real conundrum. It can feel like you're trying to untangle a ball of yarn that just keeps getting bigger and bigger. But what if there was a way to simplify this process? Enter ChatGPT, an AI developed by OpenAI that can help you create regular expressions. ChatGPT, short for Chatbot Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence model. It's designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. This AI is an incredibly powerful tool capable of understanding context, generating detailed responses, and even demonstrating a sense of creativity. But how does this relate to regular expressions or regex, you may wonder? Well, the beauty of ChatGPT lies in its versatility. Among its many capabilities, it can assist you in formulating regular expressions. Yes, those tricky strings of characters used to match patterns in text can be crafted with the help of this AI. Instead of grappling with complex syntax and special characters, you can instruct ChatGPT in plain English to create the regex you need. Now, let's delve into how you can utilize ChatGPT for this purpose. Using ChatGPT for creating regular expressions is a straightforward process. It's a journey of 4 steps, and we're going to walk through each one together. Step 1 is all about accessing and initializing ChatGPT. To do this, you'll need to visit the OpenAI website and navigate to the ChatGPT API. You'll see a Try It Now button. Go ahead and click it. You'll be directed to a page where you can initialize ChatGPT by setting up the system message. This message sets the behavior of the assistant. For example, you can set it to "You are ChatGPT," a large language model trained on a diverse range of internet text. Now, on to the second step, posing the problem to ChatGPT. Once you've initialized your chat, you're ready to start a conversation with the model. It's best to be as clear and specific as possible to help the model understand what you're looking for. For instance, you could say, "I need a regular expression that matches an email address," or "Can you provide a regex for a US phone number?" Moving right along to step 3, this is where the magic happens. ChatGPT will process your request and provide a regular expression based on your input. For example, if you asked for a regex for an email address, you might get a response like circumflex plus at plus dot dot w plus dollar. Remember, this is a conversation, so don't be shy about asking for clarification or more information if you need it. Finally, we arrive at step 4, testing the regular expression and asking ChatGPT for modifications if necessary. Now that you have your regular expression, you can test it in your programming environment of choice. If it doesn't work as expected, or if you need it to function differently, you can simply return to the conversation with ChatGPT. Ask for tweaks, adjustments, or a completely new approach. For example, you might say, "The previous regex didn't match all the email addresses. Can you modify it to include emails with subdomains?" And just like that, you have a regular expression ready, without the usual hassle. By walking through these 4 steps, you can use ChatGPT to generate regular expressions that meet your specific needs. This isn't just a tool for developers, but for anyone who wants to harness the power of regex without diving deep into its intricacies. So start your conversation with ChatGPT today and let it handle the heavy lifting of creating regular expressions for you. The advantages of using ChatGPT for creating regular expressions are manifold. Let's delve into some of these enticing benefits. Firstly, ChatGPT is a substantial time saver. Rather than spending countless hours crafting and refining your regular expressions, you can let ChatGPT handle the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal assistant who's on hand 24/7, ready to tackle your regex problems. Secondly, the complexity inherent in regex can be daunting, but ChatGPT simplifies this complexity. It allows you to express your requirements in plain English, and then it translates your needs into the appropriate regular expression. It's like having a translator who speaks both English and regex fluently. Thirdly, accuracy is vital when it comes to regular expressions. A single misplaced character can throw everything off. ChatGPT, with its advanced AI capabilities, can generate accurate regex patterns, reducing the risk of errors that can derail your work. Fourthly, ChatGPT can handle a wide range of regex problems. Whether you're dealing with simple string manipulations or more complex pattern matching scenarios, ChatGPT is up to the task. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for regex at your disposal. In essence, ChatGPT transforms the often arduous task of creating regular expressions into a more manageable and efficient process. With ChatGPT, you can focus more on solving problems and less on wrestling with regular expressions. To wrap up, creating regular expressions doesn't have to be a daunting task. By now, we've discovered how ChatGPT can turn this complex task into a simpler one. We started with introducing ChatGPT, a powerful AI that's capable of understanding and generating human-like text. Then we delved into the steps to use ChatGPT for creating regular expressions. We learned how to frame our questions, how to refine our requests, and how to interpret the responses. We also discussed the benefits of using ChatGPT for this purpose. It's not just about saving time and effort, it's also about improving accuracy and efficiency. ChatGPT takes away the stress of creating regular expressions, giving you more room to focus on other aspects of your development work. I encourage you all to give ChatGPT a shot the next time you need to create a regular expression. It's a tool that's worth exploring. So the next time you're faced with a challenging regular expression, remember, you have a handy tool at your disposal. Happy coding!